having fun. No, leave him alone. Leave him alone.
You're encouraging him to do stunts on his motorcycle.
Oh, who cares? He's having fun.
Well, I hope he's safe.
Well, Rebecca. Yeah, that's my big sister, y'all talking.
It does not look safe what he's doing.
Oh, leave him alone.
Yeah, he's gonna hit a bump and go.
Literally.
We're just gonna keep driving.
What is the I lost my navigation. You're
I think we
encouraging
can spend the night in Lake Charles
maybe.
Say happy birthday.
at La Berge.
There's Becky. Happy birthday.
LaBerge?
There he
That's
is.
the naked boy's place.
It's La Berge.
The naked boy's place.
It's that really nice
Look
hotel
at those
there.
houses.
It's that really nice hotel there. Remember?
Yeah, but I don't know that I want
Huh?
to. Okay, go.
There he
And
goes.
it's like 5
There
hours.
goes our motorcycle friend.
Oh my gosh. I hope he's safe. That does not look safe at all.
My little sister, y'all. She's driving my truck, tripping out.
Well, that is not very safe.
What is it, Becky?
He is not being very safe right now.
Aww.
Did you hear me?
Oh, there's Mom in the back. What, Mom?